Italy is a country of breathtaking beauty, rich history, and mouth-watering food. From its northern lakes to its southern islands, every corner has something unique to offer. Today, let's explore the top 10 places to visit in Italy. We will start with places and cities in northern Italy first, then central Italy, and finally southern Italy in this video. 1. Venice, northeastern Italy. Known as the floating city, Venice sits on a lagoon in the northeast. Its romantic canals, gondolas, and charming bridges make it unforgettable. Visit St. Mark's Square, Doge's Palace, and the Rialto Bridge. The best time to visit is spring or autumn when the crowds are lighter. 2. Milan, northern Italy. It is Italy's fashion hub and a modern city with a historic core. Visit the Grand Milan Cathedral, shop at Galleria Vittorio Emanuele, and see Leonardo da Vinci's The Last Supper. Milan also makes a great base for day trips to Lake Como and the Italian Alps. 3. Lake Como, northern Italy. Nestled at the foot of the Alps and close to Swiss border, Lake Como is surrounded by charming towns and luxurious villas. Take a boat to Bellagio or Varenna, enjoy lakeside dining, and soak in the peaceful atmosphere. It's an ideal escape for nature lovers and romantic travelers. 4. Florence, central North Italy. Located in the heart of Tuscany, Florence is the birthplace of the Renaissance. Admire Michelangelo's David, explore the Uffizi Gallery, and visit Florence Cathedral. Climb to the top of the Duomo for a panoramic city view. Florence is also a gateway to the Tuscan countryside. 5. Pisa, western Italy. Located in Tuscany and 1-hour drive from Florence lies Pisa, best known for its Leaning Tower. Climb the tower for unique views, visit the cathedral and baptistery, and stroll along the Arno River. Pisa is often visited on a day trip from Florence, but it has its own relaxed charm. 6. Cinque Terre, northwestern Italy. Perched along the Ligurian coast, Cinque Terre is a series of 5 colorful fishing villages connected by scenic trails. Each village, Monterosso, Vernazza, Cornelia, Manarola, and Rio Maggiore, offers stunning Mediterranean views. It's perfect for hiking, seafood lovers, and postcard-worthy photography. 7. Rome, central Italy. The capital city of Rome is often called an open-air museum. Visit the Colosseum, Roman Forum, and Pantheon for a taste of ancient history. Explore Vatican City for St. Peter's Basilica and the Sistine Chapel. Don't miss tossing a coin into the Trevi Fountain for good luck. 8. Naples, southern Italy. This lively port city is the birthplace of pizza and a gateway to some of Italy's most famous sites. Explore the Royal Palace, enjoy Naples' vibrant street markets, and taste authentic Neapolitan pizza. From here, you can visit Pompeii and the Amalfi Coast. 9. Amalfi Coast, southwestern Italy. This UNESCO World Heritage Site stretches along the coast south of Naples. Towns like Amalfi and Ravello offer colorful houses, steep cliffs, and turquoise waters. Enjoy scenic drives, fresh seafood, and spectacular sunsets. The Amalfi Coast is especially popular in summer. 10. Sicily, southernmost Italy. It is Italy's largest island that offers a mix of history, culture, and natural beauty. Explore Palermo's markets, visit the Valley of the Temples in Agrigento, and hike Mount Etna, Europe's most active volcano. Sicily's beaches, Greek ruins, and unique cuisine make it a destination in itself. From the romantic canals of Venice to the sun-kissed shores of Sicily, Italy offers unforgettable experiences in every direction. Wander through ancient Roman ruins, savor world-class cuisine, explore charming villages, and soak in breathtaking landscapes that feel like they're straight out of a painting. No matter where you begin your journey, each destination has its own unique story, culture, and magic waiting to be discovered. Which of these top 10 Italian destinations would you visit first? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on amazing travel destinations around the world. Thanks for watching, and happy travels!